another life update. Lola na ako!
Yes, please, on a Tuesday.
Oh my God! Eyes, not pistachio latte. Hello. I'm really happy. You can see the airport. For the self-love. It is such a beautiful day for a new Catventures! Woo! Okay, it is such a beautiful day indeed because I'm back to vlogging, guys, after months or even a year of being MIA. I'm back on track and yeah, I'm doing a week in my life vlog because ang tagal na yung last time a week in my life vlog ako. So today I'm going to a workshop, so get ready with me first while I give you a life update kung ano na ba ang nangyari sa Catventures nyo, bakit ang tagal kong nawala, bakit ganon? So life update, naging busy ako kaya ako hindi nakapag upload ng mga vlogs consistently. And yeah, kasi I signed with an agency. It's with my Gosh Cloud family. So 1 year na ako with them. So after I signed with them, I've been collaborating with brands and mga brands na actually hindi ko akalain na makakatrabaho ko. It's really a big blessing to be able to work with them and to be, of course, managed by Gosh Cloud. So, actually, sila yung kasama ko later. So, yeah, more blessings and opportunities. Claiming it. Baka naman malapit na birthday ko, Lord. So, naging busy ako, like, creating content for brands, ganyan. And parang may mga times na nababurn out lang rin ako. Kaya hindi ko kayang mag-produce ng sarili kong content, which is yung sa Catventures. So, napag-iwanan talaga siya. And then, every time I would vlog sa lahat ng mga adventures ko and mga out-of-country trips ko, ganyan, I'd get so overwhelmed kasi sobrang daming files. Kasi stress ako, parang ang daming nangyayari. Kasi I have my Insta360, I have my DJI, I have my phone, I have my camera. So, lahat yon nagagamit ko during my trip. So, ayun, naging busy and then overwhelmed. And then yun din, no? Speaking of being overwhelmed, overwhelmed din ako sa editing. So, before, my cousin, si Shane's Creative Shots Manila, she used to edit my vlog. So, kung napapansin nyo yung mga first few vlogs ng Catventures, very bongga, very cinematic, very ma-effort. And, yeah, hindi ko kaya yon. So, I'll give it to her. Kasi pinapanood ko yung cousin ko mag-edit. Like, I would sit beside her kasi ako yung nagpipili ng mga clips na that will be included sa vlog ko. She got busy also and I'm so happy for her since because of editing, like, and because of, actually hindi lang siya editor ko, siya rin yung photographer slash videographer ko. So all around talaga siya. So because of that, because of her talent, parang a lot of people, brands, mga events discovered her. So I'm happy for her. So I decided to edit my own vlogs. Kung ako na nag-e-edit, tinitingnan ko pa lang yung blank na CapCut na walang kahit ano. Na-overwhelm na naman ako. Grabe. As in, it takes a lot of time and effort to edit a whole vlog. But yeah, I'll be more consistent and I'll be less overwhelmed and just enjoy the process of editing and uploading for you guys. Anyway, yung pupuntahan natin later is the Google office and we will be having a workshop with YouTube. So, ayan, ito na rin yung sign ko para bumalik sa pagbablog. Grabe, sobrang dami kong kwento since ang tagal ko na talagang hindi nag-vlog. Like, ang tagal nyo nang walang update about me. Like, yung mga active accounts ko are Facebook and Instagram and TikTok na lang. As in, sobrang napag-iwanan tong YouTube ko. Pero ito pa man din yung una kong like, in-effortan yung YouTube channel ko. So, yeah. Nasad naman ako na nagkaroon ako ng YouTube detox. Actually, ngayon, pinagkakaabalahan ko talaga is yung sarili ko. I'm really at this point in my life wherein I want to focus on myself more. For the longest time, I've been putting other people first. Matagal na ayun na talaga yung kahinaan ko. Sa lahat, inuuna ko yung ibang tao. So ngayon, ako naman, I want to prioritize my health. I want to prioritize my goals. I want to prioritize my time with my family and friends. Kasi like, naging MIA rin ako sa kanila. Nakita ko nga sa Instagram, nakasunod doon, this era is called my turn. Ganon! Really happy that I get to experience life on my own. Kasi very dependent talaga ako sa kahit sino. Like, in general, like, dependent ako sa parents ko, dependent ako sa younger sibling ko actually, kay Kyla, ganyan. At least right now, I'm figuring things out on my own. Na ako yung nagde-decision for myself. Aside from content creation, nag-work din ako sa family business namin. So, we are in public transportation. Another life update. Lola na ako! So, this one is Cookie. Yan, super black na black siya. Tignan mo, ang cute naman ng face. Ay, sleeping. And this one's Kimchi. Ayan, brown naman siya. Tapos lumalabas na rin yung white accent color niya. Sleepy naman yan, mga babies na yan. Of course, papakilala rin natin yung mom, which is si Kiara. This is the mom. Her name is Kiara. Or, ang tawag namin sa kanya, Kiatot. Kasi payatot siya. Payatot yan si Kiatot. Ay, sus. Ay, sus. Anyway, so, I also have another dog. Her name is Queeby. Okay, Queeby yung name. So, with a K also. Lahat kami K kasi sa family. So, I'm Kat, and then brother ko Kirk, and then sister ko Kyla, and then another brother is Colby. So, lahat K. So, lahat ng pets namin K din. So, yeah, this one's Queeby. But nakalimutan ko na kasi talaga yung totoong pangalan niya. Because we all call her Potpot. So, ayun yung nickname niya. Potpot na lang siya. Kaya nakalimutan ko na yung Queeby. Hi! Okay guys, so sobrang dami kong daldal. I think I'm running a bit late already. It's currently 12:19 and I haven't completed my look yet. So I did my eye makeup off cam. But yeah, kulang na lang tayo ng lashes. So I never go out without my lashes. There. So as you can see, ganun lang siya kabilis guys. Yeah, I stopped getting lashes extensions. Ito na lang talaga yung holy grail ko. As you can see, ang laki ng difference ng may lashes and walang lashes. So, yeah, Lala Lash is key. So, kung napapansin nyo, I'm active again sa motorcycle community. So, as you can see sa social media ko, I've been riding again. Sobrang na-miss ko yung very therapeutic rides ko. Yeah, expect more adventures on 2 wheels. And I'm also trying to do content about beauty, lifestyle, fashion, ganyan. It's not all the time that we have motorcycle rides. Lalo na right now, it's been raining non-stop. And then, minsan ang init din. So, nakakatamad magmotor. So, if you guys have suggestions, just let me know kung anong pwede kong gawin para ma-entertain ko kayo.
join us this afternoon to
As you keep going and keep posting, there will be.
Okay guys, nakakapangit naman to. Okay, so we're done with the workshop with the Shopee and YouTube and with my Gosh Cloud family. So, okay naman yung workshop actually. It's very informative. So, those of you who are into YouTube already, you can earn more through Shopee. So, meron silang ginawang program na parang YouTube Shop. YouTube Mall pala. Sorry, not paying attention. So, ginawan nila yun for creators na, kunyari, may makeup tutorial and then gusto nyo i-link yung beauty products doon and then you can earn commission. Whoops! Hindi na exit ko. You can earn commission from that on top of your YouTube earnings as well. So, it gives creators more chances of winning. Hindi. Mali. So, it gives creators more opportunities to monetize their content. Ako kasi personally, pag nanonood ako ng mga YouTube vlogs, nasa na yung kotse ko. Ito na nga. Nawala na nga. Okay. So, ako kasi pag nanonood ako ng mga vlogs, like, kaya sa mga makeup tutorials, ganyan, like, gusto ko kung anong ginagamit nung person na yon, ma-add to cart ko na kagad yung product, gano'n. So, with YouTube and Shopee, pwede na malagay yung link ng product that will direct you to Shopee. So, pwede mo na kagad ma-add to cart. So, grabe yung pampabudal yun, guys. And for my fellow creators, this is your chance to earn more with your content. And actually ngayon, magkakaroon ng after party with the team. So, yeah. We'll go to Yes Please. Yes Please on a Tuesday. Grabe. Nawala ako sa parking. Yes, ito po ang reality ng pagiging content creator. Oo. Oh my God! Okay guys, so as you can see, we're back to editing and ayan, sobrang na-overwhelm ako kasi sobrang blank na, like, hi naku. Good morning guys! So it is an early morning for me today because today will be a long day. Actually, right now, nandito na ako sa office. So, I'll be doing errands lang. And then, later on, kasi I'll be doing something for the first time. And I'm so excited to share it with you guys. I am excited but nervous. Guys, pray for me. Pero, kaya ko yan. Kakayanin natin yan. So, for me to survive this day, I bought my favorite drink and it's none other than the iced not pistachio latte from Zeus Coffee. So guys, ito na talaga yung go-to drink ko, as in every day. Ito yung dito nakadepende yung buhay ko. Wow, dito nakadepende yung pagiging productive ko. So si OF. Hello. Okay. Yung operations manager namin. Hi OM. Ano yun? Wala. Hello ka sa vlog. Actually, nag-switch ako from being a coffee girly to a matcha girly just recently mainly because of its health benefits. Kasi it has antioxidants, it doesn't cause jitters, and it has that sustained energy all throughout the day. Unlike sa coffee, bigla ka na lang magka-crash. And yung coffee rin kasi, parang nagpapalpitate na ako guys. So talagang very alarming na siya. Tumatama na yung matcha. Let's go. Bale, parang siya yung nag-desisyon kung anong gagawin sa o compare sa ibang kumpanya.
Ano ba siya? Okay naman yung audio niya, Sir Raf. Okay naman.
Ano ba nasabi ko kanina?
Biofit lang. But then it's okay.
Oh, okay. Biofit.
Hindi ko rin nakatch mo
Okay.
Perfect.
Perfect. Wala na ako na-speechless ako bigla. Grabe guys, I just survived my first live stream as in! Yeah, what happened kanina actually, nung una, sobrang kinakabahan talaga ako guys. As in, sumisigaw ako sa loob ng room and buti na nga lang parang mga 5 lang yung mga tao doon sa team. Wala masyadong pressure na ang daming nanonood sa'yo. Nabahan talaga ako and natakot ako kasi baka mabulol ako, ganyan. Pero yun, may mga times nga talaga na since na-overwhelm ako, parang naano ako, like nabubulol and minsan nawawala sa mga sinasabi ko, ganun. Pero I'm so happy that I survived this day. Actually, short notice lang sa akin sinabi to. Hapon ata na-confirm yung live stream na to. Grabe. Lord, thank you for giving me the energy. Kaya napala rin yung pagiging energetic ko dito sa Adventures. Kasi nakita nila kung paano ako mag-deliver daw ng mga sinasabi ko, ganyan. So, natuwa sila sa akin. And yeah, natuwa rin naman ako sa experience ko. Especially nung nakikita ko na ang dami yung nagko-comment and ang daming viewers, ganyan. So, I'm really, really happy na natawid ko tong araw na to. Grabe guys, ang weather and ang traffic. Long nails again. Hindi pa tapos. Dito tayo. Done! Beautiful! Yung favorite ko, cat eye. So very, ano siya, very classy, very elegant, and kabog pa rin siya because of the glitters. And as you can see, parang may iba-iba talaga siya. Oh, super nice. I love it! Pwede na maging model yung kamay ko. Thank you! Thank you! Hello! Maraming salamat sa asikaso sa akin dito. Ang ganda-ganda ng nails ko. Thank you so much. Balik po, Iris. Bye-bye. Good luck sa pag-retire. Bye, pahinga muna. Ay! God bless ate.
And now looking in your eyes, I feel my heart starting something new. Something new. Tell me to make you cry if I'm not back again this time tomorrow. Carry on, nothing really matters.
Morning! Thank you for that.
And you say, will you be needing assistance? Thank you, ma'am.
Hi guys! So right now, I'm checked in here at Savoy Hotel because tonight will be a big night for me because I was invited to the preview 30th anniversary gala. I'm checked in here since the venue later will be at Marriott Hotel. So this is just like mga 5 minutes away from Marriott Hotel. So dito kami nag-check-in para makapag-prep dito and then I can spend the night here. Of course, after the gala. Anyway, grabe guys. So nakakalimutan ko na nag-vlog pala ako. Like a week in my life ko. Hindi siya dire-diretsong like hindi siya everyday ko na nagagawa. Kasi sometimes nakakalimutan ko na a week in my life vlog pala ako. So ang fail. So upon entering, we have the restroom here. There. So yan yung shower. Parang ang dilim. Parang, nasan na yung ilaw? Let there be light. But anyway, so that's the restroom. And then my bag. And then we have the vault here. And the refreshments para sa coffee. And then pwede ihang yung clothes later here. And then may mini fridge. And then we have 2 beds. So, later on, mag-overnight na dito yung sister ko because yung work niya malapit lang here. So, ayan, may accent chair. And then, for the view, ooh, oh my God! Ay, ang ganda. You can see the airport here, the airstrip. Ang ganda ng view.
Ang sakit yun, ma'am.
Oo nga. Parang yung sa dati, sa restaurant.
Oo, ma'am. Nasakatan ka ba dun, ma'am? Sobra.
Ay, sobra.
Kaya ni ma'am.
Kayang-kaya, nakakangiti pa. Dokso more on pang, ano siya, pang glowing. And then, pang firm, dewy-dewy ang look. Ganyan. For the glow up. And for the self-love. Oh, okay. So, parang meron na siyang mga blends. Tapos yung, bruising doc, mga ilang days siya.
Depende. Parang malaki itong bruise na ito.
Ay, ganun?
Usually yung bruising, ma-violet siya first 2-3 days.
2 to 3 days. Okay. Carry. Concealer is key.
Oo, kaya ko yun.
Para sa, kagaganda natin yan, Doc. Oh my God, Doc. Nawala yung smile ko dun.
Masakit talaga.
Masakit dito sa area na to.
Naiyak si ma'am.
Naiyak ako. Happy birthday to you. Let's go.
Bro, happy birthday yung shot. Isa-shot, hindi pa pangligo ah.
Uy, flaming shot pa to. I-blow mo muna.
Bro, muna bro.
Happy birthday. Huy, sabi ko i-blow mo, huwag mo ako unahan. Guys, so I am editing this a week in my life vlog na very long overdue already. While I was editing, napansin ko na wala akong outro. Oh my God, so sorry. From long hair, naging short hair na. Anyway, I am in Dubai right now for a layover because we will be going to France. While waiting for our flight, I am editing na para ma-post ko na yung a week in my life vlog ko at hindi na matambak lahat ng mga ending Catventures vlogs ko. So, yeah. Anyway, I feel like yung general theme ng week ko na yun was about being open to change and being comfortable in the uncomfortable. Like, yung sa BioFit na live, kinakabahan talaga ako that time. Pero, I didn't know na kaya ko naman palang gawin yun. And then, dun din sa preview ball, I went there on my own. And ako kasi, sometimes may social anxiety talaga ako. Especially na first time ko mag-attend ng ganun. So, I don't know that much people. But I survived. Ang dami kong nagawa on my own. Nakala ko hindi ko siya magagawa on my own. Kasi nga very dependent talaga ako. So, yeah, really happy with all the progress that I've made so far. So, here's to doing more firsts with you guys as well sa journey ko of self-love and self-discovery. But anyway, yeah, back to editing muna ako so that I can upload this for you guys already. Dami ko pa i-upload. And right now, I'm also vlogging my Europe trip. So, watch out. Bye!